Lightweight, folding aluminum camp table for outdoor, picnics, tailgating, RVing, fishing and road trips. Outdoor side table. Lightweight folding side table is ideal for outdoor activities like picnics, tailgating, RVing, fishing and road trips. Seats 2 people for dining, or can be used as a side table. Compact seating. Metal side table seats 2 people while dining, but can also be used as an outside side table. Telescoping leg design allows the one-piece, full-sized table to collapse easily and fold compactly. Top reviews from the United States. Surprised at how great this table is. I am surprised at how great this table is. I've used compact tables before in my old scout troop, but this one beats them all. I am an Eagle Scout and have been on more camping trips than I can count. Not only is it manufactured in what seems to be high-quality metals, but it's extremely easy to use. Just like in the video preview, it's really easy to open and close. I used this table on a camping trip recently and I don't see how we could have gotten by without it. You'd never think you would require one, but once you have one you'll use it all the time. We started running out of room because we put so much stuff on it. It's great for cooking to hold all your plates and accessories. Late at night it would hold out beer and salsa.